Look around. Photography is everywhere. From weddings and events to business branding and social media, the demand for high-quality photos has never been higher. In fact, the photography industry is on track to hit $161.8 billion by 2030. That's growing at an impressive 4.4% every single year. Whether you're snapping shots for fun or dreaming of turning your passion into profit, now is the perfect time to get started. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to launch, grow, and scale your photography side hustle in 2025. Making $1,000 a month with photography starts with choosing the right niche. Photography offers countless opportunities, from portraits and weddings to product shoots and stock photography. Begin by considering your interests and skills. Do you enjoy working with people, capturing products, or exploring landscapes? Identifying a niche not only helps you focus your efforts, but also positions you as a specialist, which can attract higher paying clients. By narrowing your focus, you'll stand out in a competitive marketplace. This initial step is crucial for building a sustainable side hustle. Once you've chosen your niche, invest in the right equipment to meet its demands. If you're just starting, don't feel pressure to buy the most expensive gear. Many successful photographers began with entry-level cameras or even smartphones. Focus on understanding how to use your equipment effectively, mastering settings like aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Over time, as you earn more, you'll upgrade your gear to match your growing skill set and client expectations. Remember, it's not about the camera, it's about the person behind it. Building a portfolio is your next step here. Potential clients need to see examples of your work before hiring you. Start by offering free or discounted shoots to friends, family, or local businesses. This not only helps you build a strong portfolio, but also creates opportunities for word-of-mouth referrals. Make sure your portfolio showcases a variety of shots within your niche to demonstrate versatility. The goal here is to make your portfolio visually appealing and reflective of your own style. A well-curated portfolio is one of the most valuable assets as a photographer. If you guys want to start building your own portfolio, I would highly recommend building it on a website builder like Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the easiest and most user-friendly platforms to get started with building your very own website, especially if you have no prior experience and you have no coding knowledge. One of the easiest and most affordable way to get started with Hostinger is by using the link down in the description. When you click that link, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. As you can see, they're currently running a massive discount right now where you can get upwards of 75 to even 80% off the plan that you choose when getting started with Hostinger. I'm going to go ahead and go with the premium plan here, which I'll do by choosing this plan button, which will then take me to their checkout page. Once we're on their checkout page, we'll then select the payment period that we want to go with, and then to get an even better discount, we'll click the have a coupon code and type in the words my first website, all capitals, no spaces, and hit the apply button. Once we do that, we'll get an even greater discount on top of the already amazing savings that we're getting with this platform. Once we do all that, we'll hit the continue button and we'll be ready to get started with Hostinger. Once your portfolio is ready, it's time to market yourself. Creating a photography website is an essential step in showcasing your portfolio and attracting clients. A professional website makes it easy for potential clients to view your work, understand your services, and contact you. Using a platform like Hostinger ensures your work is presented professionally, even if you're just a beginner. A website also gives you full control over how your portfolio is displayed, making it a powerful marketing tool. Pricing your services correctly is also key to hitting your income goals. Research competitors in your niche and area to understand market rates. While starting out, you might need to price slightly lower to attract clients, but avoid undervaluing your work. As your skills and reputation grow, increase your rates to reflect the value that you provide. Remember to account for expenses like travel, editing time, and equipment maintenance. When setting your prices, having clear, professional pricing communicates confidence and sets expectations with clients. Client relationships play a significant role in the success of your side hustle. Treat every client with professionalism, regardless of the project or size. Quick responses to inquiries, clear communication about expectations, and timely delivery of photos are all crucial. Satisfied clients are likely to recommend you to others, creating a steady stream of referrals. Building strong relationships not only boosts your reputation, but also encourages repeat business. Over time, your client network can become one of the most reliable sources of income. Diversifying your income streams is also another effective way to reach $1,000 a month. In addition to client shoots, consider selling stock photos, offering photography workshops, or creating presets for editing software. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock make it easy to upload and sell your images. Passive income from stock photography can complement your client work, providing a more stable revenue stream. You can explore opportunities that align with your niche to maximize your earning potential. Diversification ensures that you're not overly reliant on a single source of income. Consistency is critical for long-term success. Set a schedule for shoots, editing, and marketing activities to stay organized and productive. Consistency in posting on social media or updating your website keeps your audience engaged and reminds them of your services. It's also important to regularly evaluate your progress, what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategies based on what delivers the best results. Building a photography side hustle takes time, but consistent effort leads to sustainable growth and income. Improving your skills should always be a priority. Invest time in learning new techniques, experimenting with different styles, and mastering editing software like Lightroom or Photoshop. Online courses, YouTube tutorials, and photography books are excellent resources for self-improvement here. As your skills improve, so does your value to your clients. Staying ahead of industry trends and evolving your craft keeps your services competitive. And clients are much more likely to pay a premium for photographers who consistently deliver high quality, innovative work. Collaborating with others in the industry can also open new doors. Partner with event planners, makeup artists, or even local businesses to create mutually beneficial relationships. These partnerships often lead to referrals and additional opportunities for paid work. For example, a wedding planner might recommend you to their clients, or a local boutique might hire you for product shoots. Collaboration not only expands your network, but also helps you establish yourself as a trusted professional in your niche. Strong partnerships can fast track your success. Managing your time efficiently is also crucial when balancing photography and other responsibilities. Use task management apps or scheduling software to organize your shoots and editing deadlines. Efficient time management ensures you meet client expectations without feeling overwhelmed. Prioritize tasks that directly contribute to your income goals, such as client outreach or marketing. Proper planning allows you to focus on growing your side hustle while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Once you've established a steady workflow, consider scaling your photography business. This might involve hiring assistants, outsourcing editing, or expanding your services. Scaling also allows you to take on more clients and projects without compromising quality. It's also an opportunity to explore higher paying niches such as commercial photography or videography. Growth doesn't only happen overnight, but with the right strategies, you can turn your side hustle into a thriving business. Now that we've talked about how to actually start a photography business, let's show you how to build that portfolio website on Hostinger. Now, once you guys are inside of Hostinger, the easiest way to start building your website is by following along with me. First things first, head over to the websites tab and then go to the top and click on the either get new hosting plan if you don't already have a hosting plan, or head down here where it says add website. We'll click on the add website button and then head over to the Hostinger website builder. We'll click on Hostinger website builder, which will then take us to their pre-existing website builder where we can use a bunch of different templates to start building our website in a matter of seconds. They also have an artificial intelligence tool, but for the sake of this video, we'll just use the pre-made templates. Once we're inside of the pre-made templates option, we can scroll through a bunch of beautiful looking templates that we can choose from. Now, for the sake of this video, I want a portfolio website, so we'll type in portfolio and hit the enter button. Once we get the enter button, it will then give us a bunch of different website tutorials and templates that are perfectly designed to be a portfolio website. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one, hit the select template button, which will then take me into their website editor. As you can see, it's pretty much as easy as this. I can now start editing any of the photos that are on here, edit some of the actual type, and obviously change it to say whatever I would like it to say. And I can do this with pretty much anything on this website. There's also an about section that you can make about you, the photographer, and of course the actual part of this website. You can even add a booking page for scheduling and a host of other features. If you guys have any questions about building your own portfolio website, I would highly recommend checking out the link down in the description. That's how you're going to get started with Hostinger, and it's the best and easiest, cheapest way to do so. Comment down below if you guys are starting your own photography business, and let me know what you guys think about this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you never miss any of our future videos, and hopefully I see you guys in the next one.